Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Steve here, and hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday, of course, October 15th here, and man, the year is almost over. And I tell you one thing, I woke up this Monday morning, and already for the day had earned well over 400 bucks. It was like $450 that we had earned so far, and just while I was in the bed sleep this morning. And you know what? I love waking up to a Monday like that. I mean, that'll make your Monday into a really good day. So basically, Monday was payday. You know, well, Sunday was payday, Saturday was payday, Friday was payday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday of last week was. It's been payday every day since we started this new program. You guys know I've been talking about it. You've probably gotten some emails. You know, I've been sharing it on my Facebook page, been sharing it on my YouTube channel, etc. This thing is just blowing up. I mean, we got so many people that are part of our group that have taken advantage of this opportunity, and man, they are just doing some incredible things. I'm super fired up about it. And it just, matter of fact, let me show you. So woke up this morning, and here, let me move my microphone here. Woke up this morning, guys, and so far it was roughly about 450 bucks when I got up this morning. I think it was around about 7 o'clock or so Vegas time, and since then it's like 12:30 here, and as I'm making this video, 12:37 in the PM, and we've done well over $1,000 since I woke up on autopilot, guys. I mean, just sales just coming in. And again, here's a funny thing, this 1450, and of course it's so early, this is definitely going to go higher than this. Not just for me, but a lot of people on our team are experiencing the same thing. They're just sharing this information. But you know what's funny is that these funds are available now. This isn't what I'm going to get paid like coming this Friday, or you know, next week, or on the 1st or the 15th. No, these funds are already available. All I got to do is either swipe my card or go to the ATM or whatever. Those funds are already available. That's what I've been paid today, right? And yesterday was like 325. We definitely been averaging well over 500 bucks a day for sure. You know, over the last 7 days, what do you got here? Over the last 7 days, over $5,100, guys, over the last 7 days. Not bad, guys. Hey, this thing is moving. And again, I'm not the only one. There's other people really doing some incredible things as well, because they're just sharing this information. So what am I doing special other than just sharing some videos, sharing some posts on social media, Facebook, YouTube? No paid advertising yet. I'm going to be doing some, but the way this is working with just regular traffic, organic traffic, I'm almost afraid to do paid traffic. I mean, because it'd probably just blow up like for real. But we're setting some things up. We even have our own marketing system, our third-party system that a lot of people on our team are using, especially for people that are getting started at the platinum level. You'll know what that means once you check out the information. You're going to see some information below, or comment or inbox me, especially if this video is on Facebook, and I'll send you the information. You'll get a chance to see what all that means and everything. So again, guys, I'm just super fired up. Congratulations, by the way. We got a lot of people that are part of our group that have hit the leaderboard of this particular company over the weekend. So again, it's not just me. It's a lot of people on our team, in our group, that are doing this program, and they actually made the leaderboard. So congratulations, guys. You know who you are. And I know we got a lot of other people that are going to be hitting the leaderboard as well. And basically all that means is they got paid over the weekend. They've been getting paid every day since they've been in the program. And it pays instant 100% commissions. I mean, I don't know about you guys. I mean, you got daily expenses. If you got daily expenses, you need daily income. I mean, you can still continue to do what you're doing, your job, your other business opportunities, things that you're doing online. Continue to do all that stuff. Continue to build and really sustain whatever you're already doing. But if you want to add some daily income to that, to the mix, and where you're getting paid cash money every day just by promoting and copying and pasting ads on social media, hey, this is the program you definitely need to take a look at, because it's simple, it's easy, and guess what? It pays every day. I'm getting choked up, guys, because it pays every day. It pays multiple times a day. And I'll tell you this, guys. You know, we've done a lot of different programs. You know, over the years, we've done this, we've done that. You know, but I haven't seen this level of income from people that we're enrolling this fast. And again, it's definitely not a get rich quick or anything like that. It's just giving you some additional cash flow. You know, every business needs cash flow to stay in business, and really every household needs daily cash flow just for gas, groceries, whatever it is. This program can definitely help you with that. All you have to do, so if you can copy and paste, let me repeat that. If you know how to take a mouse, right, on your computer and copy and paste some information, right? If you can download a video and then upload it to your Facebook page or your YouTube channel, if you can do that, guess what? You can make money in this program. This isn't rocket science that we're doing, guys. This is simple and it's easy, okay? You know, don't be skeptical because, hey, all I know is I didn't create it. I saw it, made sense to me. Hey, let's give it a whirl. Let's see how people respond to it. People are responding to it like crazy. I wonder how our people are going to do with this program. People on our team and our group are having tremendous success with it. All I got to say is it's going to be a very good holiday season. That's all I got to say. And that's all I know. I just know it's going to be a very good holiday season. It's definitely going to be a very good start for 2019 for sure. And because cash and money and everything, but it definitely ranks up there with air and water for sure. You definitely need cash flow to stay in business, and this program can definitely help you to do the things that you need to get taken care of, and really help you to even build some things that you're currently trying to build or attempting to build or currently building, whether it be in business or whatever, right? It can definitely help you to buy traffic. It can help you to buy tools and resources for whatever business that you're doing currently right now, whatever it might be. Or if you're just a person saying, hey, I'm just looking for a way I can make some money on the internet. So I'm not in anything currently right now, but I'm looking for something. Right here, guys. Here it is. It's staring you in the face. I'm just letting you know. So all you got to do is, I'm kind of being funny here, but I'm serious. I'm really serious. I'm really dead serious here. This is it. This is one that can definitely help you to do whatever it is that you're trying to do. So I'm fired up, guys. As you can see, I mean, man, wow. In one day so far, I think so far on a Monday, I think this has been our biggest day so far. I think it was around 1,100, almost 1,200 bucks on a Monday. It's Monday, guys. Well, I guess it makes sense. You know, Monday people got to go back to work. They're like, hey, I need to do something. And so I guess we just got, people getting started. So guys, here it is. And congratulations for everybody that just got started. You're going to get access, especially for those that come in at the platinum level. You definitely going to get access to our system. We got a third-party system that's killer. Guys, you know how we do things. You know how we do it, right? So we got some things that's working now. We got some major updates and some things that we're going to be applying to what we already have. It's just going to be able to help you guys excel so much faster in your business, in your online endeavors. So it's gonna be fun. So I'm excited. I just want to keep this video short, guys. I don't want to go on and on and on about it. All I know is, hey, they're paying us every day. So far at 12:44 p.m. Pacific time, Las Vegas time. So far today, $1,450 so far today. Right, and I'm not trying to brag or anything like that, guys. All it is that we got a really good program that a lot of people want to take advantage of, and people are just taking advantage of it. And it just pays. It just pays instantly. It just doesn't pay every other Friday or every other, whatever, first and the 15th, end of the month. It doesn't pay. It doesn't pay like that. It pays instantly every day. When a sale is made, you get paid. And they got incredible training, incredible tools and resources in the back office that can really help you to really become a much better marketer, right? So you can really start conquering and dominating the internet. That's what they actually offer, is just those skills and resources and tools to really help you win. And they just got a very aggressive compensation plan if you're referring other people, because hey, they're paying instantly and they're paying instant 100% commission. So as you can see, guys, I'm just getting choked up because I'm just floored. I'm just like, wow. This is crazy. So all we got to do, guys, hey, is just get in position, right? Follow the training and just start sharing the information and watch what happens. And that's what a lot of people are doing right now. They're just sharing the information, and I'm sure you probably seen some people talking about it, but it's still very, very new. So I would definitely get in position ASAP before a lot of people start telling your people about it, and it could have been you. So just saying. But hey, gotta run, guys. Got some people I gotta help. Got people coming in right now, and gotta help them get started, help them with the system, help them get going, and we'll go from there. So just wanted to make this quick video. Thanks for watching the video. Happy Monday, guys. Congratulations to everybody that is winning with this program, guys. You deserve it. Hey, this is just the beginning. Bigger things coming, and so stay tuned. So enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Stay productive, and we'll see you guys over the top. Peace out.